Welcome to my channel, Friend Tune English. What will you learn in today's video? Today, you'll witness something unique. On one side, we have Ayaan, an Indian Asian student experiencing his first day at university. On the other side, his professor, a fluent British English speaker. Here's where it gets interesting. Ayaan speaks basic English with an Asian accent, while his professor's English is fast and refined. This contrast will help you understand both styles of speaking, making it easier for you to improve your English. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
Good morning. You must be one of my new students. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, sir. Yes, my name is Ayaan. I'm from India, and I have recently moved here for my studies.
Nice to meet you, Ayaan. I'm Professor Adams. How are you feeling today? Adjusting to a new country can be both exciting and challenging.
I'm doing well, sir. I feel a little nervous because everything is new, but I'm also excited to begin this journey.
That's completely understandable. Starting at a new place can feel overwhelming, but with time, you'll find your rhythm. So how long have you been in Europe?
I arrived here about 2 months ago. Initially, it was a little difficult to adjust, especially with the weather and the new culture, but I am gradually getting used to it.
That's great. Europe has a diverse culture, and adapting to it takes time. What motivated you to come here for your studies?
My main goal is to study programming and IT. I have always been passionate about technology and wanted to pursue a career in this field. Europe offers great opportunities and high quality education, so I thought it would be the best place to learn and grow.
That's an excellent reason. Technology is an ever-evolving field with limitless possibilities. Have you had any previous experience with programming before joining this university?
Yes, sir. I have some basic knowledge of programming. I took a few online courses in Python and Java, and I also worked on small projects like building simple websites and automation scripts. However, I still have a lot to learn.
That's a fantastic start. Having some prior experience will certainly help you grasp advanced concepts more easily. In this course, we will cover a range of topics, from the fundamentals of programming to complex problem-solving techniques. What area of programming interests you the most?
I am really fascinated by web development and artificial intelligence. I love the idea of creating applications that can help people in their daily lives, and I find AI particularly exciting because of its ability to automate tasks and solve real-world problems.
Those are excellent choices. Web development is crucial in today's digital age, and AI is transforming industries. We'll be diving into both topics, and I'm sure you'll find them engaging. Tell me a little about your family.
My family is back in India. My father runs a small business, and my mother is a teacher. She has always encouraged me to pursue my education and work hard to achieve my goals. I also have a younger sister who is still in school.
That's wonderful. It sounds like your family values education a lot. Having supportive parents is a great motivator. Do you miss home?
Yes, sir. I do miss home, especially my family and friends. But I keep in touch with them regularly through video calls and messages. It helps me feel connected, even though I'm far away.
That's a good way to stay in touch. Living abroad teaches you independence, but having a support system back home makes the journey easier. Have you made any friends here yet?
Yes, sir. I have made a few friends at the university. They come from different countries, so it's interesting to learn about their cultures. We often hang out after classes and help each other with studies.
That's wonderful. One of the best things about studying abroad is the exposure to different cultures and perspectives. What has been the most challenging aspect of living here so far?
I think the biggest challenge for me is communication. My English is not very strong, and sometimes I struggle to understand native speakers, especially when they speak fast. but I'm trying my best to improve.
Your English is already quite good, Ayaan. The key is to practice daily, listen to English podcasts, watch English movies, and most importantly, engage in conversations. The more you speak, the more confident you will become.
Thank you, sir. I'll make sure to practice every day.
That's the right approach. In my class, I encourage students to ask questions and participate actively in discussions. Don't hesitate to speak up.
I'll remember that, sir.
Good. Now, apart from studies, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading tech blogs and watching programming tutorials. I also like playing chess and sometimes go for a walk in the park to relax.
Those are great hobbies. Chess improves logical thinking, and keeping up with tech trends will give you an edge in your career. Do you have any plans for the future?
Yes, sir. My goal is to become a software developer and work on innovative projects. I also want to gain experience in AI and contribute to advancements in the field. If possible, I'd like to work in a top tech company someday.
That's an ambitious and commendable goal. Keep working hard, stay curious, and always be open to learning. Welcome to the university, Ayaan. I look forward to seeing your progress.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate your support and guidance.
Before we end our conversation, let me give you some advice. University life is not just about academics. It's about experiences, networking, and developing skills beyond the classroom. Make sure to engage in extracurricular activities, attend seminars, and even take up internships if possible.
That's great advice, sir. I will make sure to explore different opportunities and make the most out of my time here.
That's the spirit. Also, I encourage my students to collaborate on projects. It not only enhances your technical skills, but also improves teamwork and communication abilities. Have you ever worked on a team project before?
I have done small group projects in my online courses, but I would love to work on bigger collaborative projects. I believe working with a team helps in learning new approaches and perspectives.
Absolutely. It's also how real-world tech companies operate. I'll be assigning group projects in class, so be ready to work with different students. It will be a great learning experience for you.
I am looking forward to it, sir. Thank you again for your time and advice.
My pleasure, Ayaan. Welcome once again, and I'll see you in class.